My A sound box. A. Now the letter A has two different sounds. You can say A, or a, a. Here we have some pictures that start with the letter A. We have acorn, astronaut, apple, alligator, ant, and angel. Here's some more pictures. We have axe, anchor, apple, ambulance, acrobat, and arrow. Little A had a box. I will find things that begin with my A sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little A put on his hat and went for a walk. He found apples, apples, apples. Did he put the apples into his box? He did. Little A found an alligator. Did he put the alligator into the box with the apples? He did. Little A found ants, ants, ants. Did he put the ants into the box with the apples and the alligator? He did. Then little A found arrows, arrows, arrows. Guess where he put the arrows? Next, little A found an axe. It was a toy axe. Guess where he put the axe? Now the box was full. It was so full. The ants, the arrows, and the axe fell out. The apples and the alligator fell out too. Now who will help me fill my box? Said little A. Just then, an astronaut came by. I will help you, said the astronaut. We will fill your box. Guess what happened next? The astronaut took little A for a ride. Up, up, and away. The end.